Hello all, welcome to 39th Java programming tutorial on netstrikers.com. My name is Aditya and in this tutorial we will learn how to calculate the size of file. So I have created a class called file size, and within the main method let me create a file type object, name it as file followed by the new keyword file, and as you also know that within its parameter we need to pass the file name that we want to perform operation on that. So I have already created test.txt file which I have created in my previous tutorial. So suppose we want to calculate the size of test.txt. Now then we need to first check whether the file exists or not. So to check, let's pass it to the if conditional statement followed by file exists. Now I don't need to explain again what exist method do. It will return true if the file exists, and if this code of segment will become true, then this code segment will execute. So let's create a double type variable, name it as bytes, because the initial size of the file would be in the bytes. So let's type file followed by dot length, length. Now this will going to return the size of the file, and the file size would be in the bytes format. So let's print it out to the user that the size of the file in the bytes format will be size in bytes, concatenate with plus sign followed by bytes, which we supplied here. Now what if file do not exist, then it will going to execute in the else part. So let's code the else part for our code. Now the else part will going to print, let me copy this. The else part will going to print file do not exist, file do not exist. So let's compile our code and check whether we are right or not. So our compilation is successful. Now let's run our code. Okay, I did a mistake. File size, as you can see, 11 bytes printed here. So similarly you can find the size in the kilobyte format. All you need to do is just divide the bytes by 1024, since 1 kilobyte is equivalent to 1024 bytes. So let's create a double type variable, name it as kilobytes, and you just need to divide bytes by 1024. Now let's copy this, and size in kilobytes will be KILOBYTES, as you can see, kilobytes. So let's compile our code since we made few changes. Now let's run. As you can see, size in byte 11.0, whereas the size in kilobyte is 0.0107. Now this exist file will not only work only in the text file, it can work either in the JPEG format, or you can test either in the .mov file. So you can, so I have already pasted the image file here forever alone. So let me check the size of the image.jpg file. So to check the size of the image.jpg, let's type image followed by the extension of the file. So now let's compile our code. To compile, Java C followed by file size. As you can see, size in bytes is 3905, whereas the size in the kilobytes is 3.8134. So that's how we can convert the file size into various file type. So that's it for now. If you have any difficulties or doubt, please do let me ask in the YouTube comment section. Until then, enjoy your life. Thanks for watching.